Let's also welcome Aditya Arora, our technical guest on the show. Aditya, fifth straight day of gain for the Indian benchmark. What is the short-term target for the Nifty?
Very good noon. And I think markets have run up quite a bit, and although markets are going up, but with less strength, with less momentum, and with less excitement, because if you look at large caps like Reliance, they are hardly moving. And if you look at other banking stocks, they are a little exhausted at year end. So I think for one week or so, probably market could be range bound or so, and I think there's scope for some profit booking at this point. So I'm not very bullish, although trend is going up, but with less momentum. So there's some scope for profit booking. I don't see a lot of upside at this moment. I would be little neutral at this point in time.
Okay. So seasonality wise, what we have checked in the last 10 years is that January has largely been a weakish month for the benchmark and also for the broader indices. 7 out of the 10 times Nifty has actually ended in red in the month of Jan. How are you seeing that? Do you also expect Nifty to be in negative territory when it comes to the next month or the next series?
I think there could be little follow-up in the first half, but second half we can see profit booking because a lot of rollover happens from December to Jan expiry. So if you look at power stocks, then the rollover isn't good. But if you look at auto stocks, then the rollover is good. Banking rollover is good. So I think first half there could be some follow-up on positive sentiment, which we have seen in December, where we saw stellar rise of almost 7% in one expiry, which is one of the highest. So spillover effect could be there in the first half, but second half there's scope for good profit booking. And I think a lot of stocks are very overheated in terms of RSI and chart trading. So stock specific profit booking can be seen.
Okay. And what is your view when it comes to the PSU basket? Despite the sharp run up, despite the fact that the valuations have now become a bit on the expensive side, there's nothing stopping them. Today also, it's one of the top sectoral gainers. Any top picks from the PSU space?
In PSU basket, I think oil is a good bet, Oil India, which is currently trading at 380. So that could be bought at 380.85. Stop loss over here should be 330 and target should be 430 to 450.
And when it comes to the Nifty Bank Index, now that is one index which has lagged the markets overall in 2023. Do you expect a turnaround in the next calendar year?
Nifty Bank?
Yeah, Nifty Bank.
Correct. I think you are seeing very good leadership from HDFC Bank, which has been a laggard overall in year 2023. But now the elephant has started dancing, and there could be some break dance or some pop dance from HDFC Bank because the charts are looking fantastic and fundamentals are very good. There's long build up on the derivatives front. So HDFC Bank is trading at 1720 and I see scope of appreciation till 1800 to 1900, and this bank is has the highest weight in Bank Nifty. So I think Bank Nifty can see good appreciation in 2024.
Meta is also one counter where we are seeing a lot of traction of late for the last 4 5 trading sessions. Any specific stock in the metal space that you're liking currently?
A disclaimer that we have been recommending our clients metal stocks since almost 1 quarter or so. So we have interest over there. Coming back to the topic, I think Tata Steel looks good at 137.65. Stop loss should be 120 and target should be 160 to 170.
Right, Aditya, also I just want to understand a bit in terms of, let's talk about some of the pharma names also, right? What is your view in terms of the pharma side, and do you see the run-up that we've seen in the last 6 months continue for these pharma names? Any specific names that you're looking at?
Absolutely. I think pharma as a space, Vinny hasn't run a lot, but now it's seeing good traction. You saw good rally in Divis Lab, Cipla, and now Glaxo is also breaking out on multi-week time frame, multi-month time frame. So this is my pick. Today I've chosen Glaxo as one of the picks. So I would recommend that only. So it could be bought at 1900, 1760 should be the stop loss, and 2050 should be the target. And second, Linde India, this could be bought at 5650, 5400 should be the stop loss, and 5900 to 6100 should be the target.
Okay, Aditya, thank you so much for joining in with us as always on the show and giving us an understanding on the markets as well as the topics as well. That was Aditya Arora joining in with us this afternoon.